wait to get in it and just go.
Still a 7 Series, so it's still very refined, it's just more aggressive.
It's a shame it didn't have a bigger engine or a more powerful engine, but it looks the part.
People have dream cars about Ferraris and everything. My dream car was a 160J.
Love the boxy shape with the bigger arches and the race pedigree. Spotted this and next thing you know, I own it.
I purchased this car to build into a track car. You're not really going to throw around corners. In terms of cruising, fantastic.
BMW never made an M3 estate / touring. Well, funnily enough, that's precisely what I did.
It's more about the sound of the car, the raw, the V8 sound.
I like my cars to be individual, and you probably gathered, like, I like obscure cars.